My name is Lola Fatoyinbo-Agueh. I'm a research physical scientist in the Biospheric Sciences Lab. I actually grew up in a lot of countries. I moved every 2 to 3 years because my dad was working as a journalist and with international organizations. And so I spent a lot of time living in West Africa, and it was really clear to me that there was a direct correlation between environmental conditions and the human conditions. Now that I work at NASA, I'm able to look at all of these countries everywhere where I lived and places where I haven't lived. I can basically see them all from space. I did my graduate work in Mozambique, and in Mozambique, 40% of their export is actually shrimp. They use the mangroves as nursery habitat, so there's a direct relationship between the GDP of a country and their mangrove coverage. Mangrove forests actually store a lot of carbon in them. They store them in above ground biomass, so in the trees themselves, but also in below ground biomass in the soil. They're also very important as nursery habitats for many fish species and crustaceans. And actually knowing just the structure of a forest, like how tall it is, and the extent really gives you a good indication of how healthy a forest is. I mostly work on estimating forest 3D structure, so basically estimating forest height. I love going into the field. I love making new discoveries. I love it when your results are really validated by your research. I love coming in here every day, so there's a lot of great things that are happening here at NASA. It's really a great place to work.